Whoa. Hello guys, I'm back again with new song and this time I'm reacting to GOA official music video for 2020 Eurovision. So guys, those who are watching this video for the first time, then please subscribe this channel Indian Reaction. Comment down below which type of video you want to watch. Hit the bell icon for notification. So without further ado, let's jump into the video because I love Eurovision and I love you guys. Really do. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, it's COVID-19 costume and they just wearing it. 2020 was very tough year for us and I really like GOA because of their traditional vibe. Wow, what a dance move, guys. What a dance moves. It looks great on them and I feel like this is some kind of uniform and I like that. I really like that, man. What a dance moves, guys. Really great and I really enjoying the dance moves that they are doing. It's awesome to watch, man. I really liked it. Wow, man, they are dancing with the song and it feels perfect. I don't know why. It feels great. I don't know why, man. This is true song, true soul. Wow, what a song, guys. What a powerful song. Whoa. 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 What a song, what a performance, guys. What a performance. I really liked it. Whoa. truly inspired. I am really enjoying the song. I don't know why I found this is some kind of new kind of song, and I liked it, man. Awesome. Perfect combination with dance moves. It looks impressive and I like that. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel, Indian Reaction. Comment down below which type of video you want to watch. Hit the bell icon for notification. Bye bye, have a great day and be positive in your life. Thank you.